Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. So you guys see, I can't stop smiling because I'm so happy with how this hairstyle turned out. I'm super happy with the results of this hairstyle, and yeah, you clicked on this video because you want to see the tutorial for this hairstyle, so please do keep on watching. Okay, gorgeous people, so I pre-parted my hair off camera, and if you guys would love to see how I pre-part my hair before braiding, please do let me know. Okay, so these are the extensions that I'm using. I used 3 packs of the curls for the boho braids, and then just 1 pack of braiding hair, because honey, I do not want the braids to feel heavy. We already know braiding hairs already feel heavy if they are synthetic hair, so they do feel heavy sometimes if you use a lot of them. So I didn't want that. Okay, I didn't want that at all. I just wanted more curls, and the curls were super lightweight. The curls are super lightweight, so I did just that. So as you guys can see, for my pre-parting, I have 9 rows in total at the back of my hair, and when I got to the front part also, I did 9 rows there for each side, okay, for both left and right, because you know the front part, we want it to look very full and clean and neat and all of that. Not saying the back won't look neat, but you guys get what I mean, right? So yeah, I just started by doing knotless braids. As you guys can see, I'm adding pieces of the extensions here. I didn't take big sections of the braiding hair because, like I said, I just wanted to see more curls than braiding hair. Okay, so after adding 3 pieces of the braiding hair, I added 1 piece of the curl. Okay, so this is the water wave braiding bulk extension from QVR in 18 inches. You guys, this extension is super lightweight and it's 100% human hair. I currently still have this hairstyle on right now as I'm doing this voiceover. It's been 2 weeks and the hair still feels good. Okay, I'm going to be reusing the curls because the curls is good. Okay, it requires just little maintenance and you're good to go. So for the first row, I didn't add a lot of the curls to the knotless braids. Okay, I just added about 2 to 3 pieces of the curls to the knotless braids, and that was just it for the back. But when I got to the front, honey, I added a lot of curls. Okay, even when I got to from the 3rd row, from the 3rd row at the back of my head, I started adding in a lot of curls. Okay, to about 4 to 5 curls on each knotless braid. Yeah, that was what I did. So this is a closer look of how to do knotless braids. You start braiding with your natural or relaxed hair. You do the braids for a while, 3-step braids for a while before you start adding in the extension. So when adding in the extension, what you are going to do is to add in smaller section, the smallest section of braiding hair first, then you move to the next one, which is a little bigger than that one, then the next one also bigger than the second one that you added, just like that. Okay, then you add in the boho curls. So that's just basically all I did. So I kept working from 1 row to the other row, 1 row to the other row. You guys, pre-parting saves a lot of time. It saves a lot of time, you guys. If you're a self-braider, I think you should first pre-part your hair like a day before, so that the following day, when you just sit on your chair, you just start braiding straight up. Okay, it saves a lot of time. Okay, so you guys are also going to see how I did the ends. Okay, whilst we progress in this video, you guys are going to see that. I wanted to do that in the front row so that you guys will clearly see it. So once we get to the front row, you guys will see what I did to the ends. Okay, so you guys can see the progress we've made so far. This hair looks so good. I was so happy with how this hair turned out because, oh my goodness, this hair proved me so right. Like, it proved me so right. I was in love with it. I was so in love with it. Now to the front row, you guys. I'm always excited when I get to the front row because I know I'm about to eat with this hairstyle. Like, this hairstyle is about to look really, really good. So I did 9 rows on each side, both the right and then the left side. And yeah, I added a lot of curls to this part. So as we progress, you guys are going to see how I did the ends. Okay, how I did the ends for this seamless blend, for even more curls, for the curls to look full, to look very full. Okay, so yeah, let's continue watching. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is the edge control that I use, is the Xblock. I think I really love this. I've been using the foisting one, and I decided to try Xblock. I'm not going to lie, it is good. I really like the Xblock. It doesn't leave any white residue. You see, with the foisting, it hardens up, okay, because it's an edge control, so it hardens up. But with this one, I really like Xblock because I feel Xblock is more of a braiding gel than an edge control, because it didn't harden up at all. It didn't harden up, and my parts looked very clean. So yeah, from today I'm going to be using this Xblock for cleaning my parts, and then the foisting for my edges. Yeah, that's what I've decided to do because I really love the Xblock. I've not used any other one before. I used to use Shine and Jam, but the fake in the market is a lot. They have a lot of counterfeits in the market. So yeah, I think I'll just stick to Xblock for now. Guys, my light went out, so I had to be braiding off camera. Okay, so yeah, I'm on the last braid right now, and ooh, our hair is looking so good. I'm going to separate the curls and then just bend the braiding hair, the parts that I carve. Look at the hair, you guys. Look at that. So what should we call this? Should we call this Bora braids or Boho braids? Because it is so full. This is exactly what I envisioned, okay? And I achieved just that. I really hope you guys are able to watch up to this part of the video so that you guys will see the hair. You guys will see the effort I put into achieving this hairstyle. You guys, I don't know if I'm the only one obsessed with this hairstyle. I'm so happy with how it turned out. You guys have no idea how happy I am about how this hair turned out. I'm so happy because it looks beautiful and it looks so good on me. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Like, I can't stop staring at myself in the mirror. Don't mind me. So please, if you've been able to watch up to this point and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hey, I keep looking at myself in the mirror. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, so if you're new here and you've been able to watch up to this point, honey boo, what are you waiting for? Jasmine, what will say? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. That's Jasmine Martin, by the way. So yeah, you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notifications bell so that you be notified each time I upload a new video. If you want to see more hairstyles like this one, more hairstyles like this one, more hairstyles like this one, then subscribe, okay? Subscribe, please. Don't mind me. See, I keep looking at myself in the mirror because I'm so happy with how this hair turned out. I'm so happy. It looks so good on me. It looks so good on me. I'm very happy and grateful to God for the skill that I have. I'm super grateful to God. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.